When I eat my raw vegan diet, I'm extra kind and extra nice. I'm extra patient and I'm extra thoughtful. Little doggy. And I think it's the same way with everybody, because when we eat more exhausting foods to digest that have been cooked or processed food, whether or not it's vegan, omnivore or vegetarian or whatever way, it'll drain us and the toxins will irritate us, and then we become less virtuous and less happy. And also less peaceful. So I hope this video helps. Lots of love. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. And listen, if anybody has any questions or comments on anything got to do with self-healing, creating the life that you really want, getting rid of stuff that you don't really like or want in life, creating the life of your dreams, please do leave me a question or a comment. And for anyone who'd like to receive my not only one but 2 free gift books that I have on self-awareness and living in the now, 43 pager and 179 page main book, that all of this has been an accumulation of 18 years in development and learning and growing and healing for me to create. That's a 179 pager on healing yourself and helping to healing your relationship and getting ready to create a relationship of your dreams also, as well as helping to heal your family dynamic if you have children and being a conscious parent, as well as healing your ancestral line. That's all a gift book that you can receive, as well as 2 free video courses that I created on life, death and the meaning and purpose of life, as well as spiritual practices made simplified and practical, that video course too. So all of that, you just click on the description below. It's free, it's a gift, it's free, it's a gift, it's a blessing. There's no need to leave your credit card details. It's easy and fast to subscribe, and you can be with a community with people leaving other questions and comments and helping to inspire and support each other in challenging life tests and challenges and hardships, where we can support and help each other out and learn and grow together in a happy, friendly, safe community, positive environment that nurtures healing and wellness, health, happiness, safety, positivity, good energy, and to, like I said, have the life of our dreams that we want, and to get through challenges. It's smoother, softer, easier, like that, like falling on a nice soft bed of feathers, like that type of stuff. Good stuff, all free as a gift, as a blessing. So thank you. And there's also more, but just for anyone who wants more, but it's also a free monthly workshop where I answer your questions on a live call, and that's also even recorded for other people as a gift. Blessings and love, everybody. Thank you for watching. Have a beautiful day. Pleasure to know you.